So I finally gave in to the hype and watched Itaewon class. Like most of you who watched it, I absolutely loved the character played by the actress Kim Dami, and I couldn't wait to try out one of her looks. Today I'm going to show you how to create a makeup look inspired by her character, Joiso. Start by brushing through the brows upwards and outwards to tidy them up before adding colour. I'm using a MAC brow pencil in brown to fill in the gaps and set the shape. Add texture to your brows with a clear gel. This will also set it in place. I'm using the Chanel's Le Gel Sourcil in transparent. Using Laura Mercier's translucent powder, lightly dust the eyelids to the brow bone to eliminate any shine so that we have a smoother surface to work with for the eyeshadow. From this Etude House eye palette, paint the eyelids with this light beige until you reach the socket line, extending it to the outer corner of the eyes before it meets the end of the brow. Refresh the eyes with a wash of orange shimmer to meet the crease. Lengthen your top lash line with a dark brown colour, using small gentle strokes taking it from the outer corner and into a flick. Tightline the eyes with this Rimmel London soft kohl in sable brown until it meets the corner of your eye. Tightlining can be uncomfortable at the start, but the best way is to gently lift the eyelids to reveal the skin between the lashes and the eye. Soften the intensity of the brown kohl pencil liner with a touch of orange shimmer. Next, define the eyes with the NYX Epic Ink liner in black on the waterline, taking it under the shadow as you complete it with a flick. Keep the width of the line as thin as possible as worn by the actress. Combine the chocolate brown with a dark brown and shade the outer edges to join the tip of the liquid lined flick to the centre of the waterline. Smoke the outer corners with a clean, fluffy brush to eliminate any visible patchiness. Apply the same kohl liner in the bottom lash line, but only on the outer corner to the centre to avoid closing the eyes too much. The RCMA Concealer Palette is one of my favourite products from my kit because of its practicality. I'm using this to clean up under my eyes. Warm up the bottom lash line with the same orange shimmer, taking it all the way under the flick to create a halo of light to encapsulate the eyes. I'm going back in with the brown shadows combination to intensify the smoke. This is an optional step. Now it's time to awaken those lashes, and I'm using my Chanel lash curler. Pamper the lashes with some volume. This is the Le Volume Revolution mascara. As I have short lashes, I'm going to add some length with these Perfect Get Natural lashes by Lucille Coretti. Make sure to measure them along your eyes and trim them to length before applying the Duo Strip Lash adhesive. I like to use a cotton bud to gently push the lashes into place while removing the excess glue at the same time. Combine the lashes by curling them once more. Layer the mascara to seal them in place. For that extra innocence and youthfulness, add a touch of this peachy orange shimmer to the corner of the eyes for a doe-eyed effect. Brighten and set the canvas with Le Blanc de Chanel primer on moisturised skin. Illuminate the skin with a glowy foundation. I'm opting for the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation to use all over the face and also around the lips. Generally, I prefer to use a brush because I like the way the product is distributed. Feel free to use an alternative tool. Create depth around the jawline and under the cheekbones with a Solitana Chanel bronzer. By shaping around the perimeter of the face becomes visibly smaller, which is a makeup trend in Korea and Asia. Contour either sides of the nose to lift the nose bridge for more dimension. Tint the lips with a matte, nude pink lipstick such as the Rouge Ink in Amaryllis for a My Lips but better effect. Smooth out any excess products with your finger. Layer the center of your lips with a pink shade such as the Bourjois Rouge Edition Velvet in Oli Flamingo. Fuse the colors with a cotton bud to create a gradient lip. Coat the center of the lips with a touch of Rouge Coco Flash in Amour for a hydrated, sheer and glossy finish. Radiate the complexion with a light flash of peach on the cheeks with Glossier Cloud Paint in Dusk. The look is complete. Now it's your turn.